Welcome to English Insight Podcast. Today, you are not here to study English. You are here to speak it. This is not a grammar lesson, not rules, not complicated sentences. These are 50 real English sentences. Sentences you actually use every day. Sentences your brain already knows. But your mouth still needs to train. This is shadowing practice. You listen. You repeat. You copy the rhythm, the stress, the emotion. Don't rush. Don't translate. And please, don't think too much. Say each sentence 2 times. First, naturally. Then, with stress. Notice the difference. Notice how meaning changes when the stress changes. This is how native speakers talk. This is how fluency is built. Not fast, but daily. So relax your shoulders. Take a breath. Open your mouth. And shadow every sentence out loud. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's going on? What's going on? I didn't understand that. I didn't understand that. Can you say it again? Can you say it again? Just a second, please. Just a second, please. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That sounds good. That sounds good. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me check. Let me check. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What do you mean? What do you mean? That makes sense. That makes sense. I totally agree. I totally agree. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. No problem at all. No problem at all. Could you help me? Could you help me? I need some time. I need some time. Take your time. Take your time. What time is it? What time is it? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm tired today. I'm tired today. I'm really busy. I'm really busy. That's interesting. That's interesting. I like that idea. I like that idea. I don't like it. I don't like it. It depends. It depends. I have a question. I have a question. What do you think? What do you think? That's a good point. That's a good point. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Let me know. Let me know. Sounds great to me. Sounds great to me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Are you serious? Are you serious? That's my fault. That's my fault. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care.